Hey guys, Jordan here. In this video, I'm going to be answering a real estate photography question. The question is about drone pilots. So how much do drone pilots charge for real estate photography? Now, the biggest question is, I would say it depends on your market area. That's the biggest variable. We charge $100 extra for real estate photos, but there are others that may charge $50. There's others that might charge $200 or $300. Really depends on your market and what you can actually charge for. Also, what your travel time is, cost of living. There's a lot of variables to consider when setting your pricing for aerial photos. Let me jump back into the question. So I think something that's very important is to make sure if you are charging, that you have your Part 107 license. Is really inexpensive, and we actually also have additional picture count. So $100 for up to 5 photos. We have a 10 photo package for $150, or you can go 20 for $200 or whatever it is. Honestly, it doesn't take that much extra time while you're out at a property. And, it's easy to get your Part 107 license and get out there and start shooting. But the biggest thing to pricing, you got to do your homework. You got to look at your competitors and other drone service companies in your area to see what people are charging and kind of position yourself to be competitive. But the way you're going to get ahead of those others is by delivering a great customer experience. If you are interested in getting into the real estate photography business, you can check out our Jumpstart guide. The link is in the description. That's going to do it for this video. Reach out if you have any questions. We'll see you guys on the next one.